Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to redeem code in Garena Free Fire. To redeem a code in Garena Free Fire, first of all, you'll need to go visit the official Free Fire Redemption site. So in order to do that, go ahead and open up a web browser on your device. And once you do that, go to the search box at the bottom and type in reward.ff.garena.com. Right after you do that, you will then be able to see the redemption site for Free Fire rewards. Go ahead and select one of the login methods from the menu and then follow through the login process first. After you log in, you will then be able to see a text box. Input the 12 to 16 character code in the designated text box and make sure that the code is valid. After you are done, click on Confirm. After you are done hitting Confirm, you can then open up Free Fire application on your device and the reward will appear in the Vault section or in your in-game mailbox. So that is how you can easily redeem your Garena Free Fire codes. And you have successfully done it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Garena Free Fire tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.